This is Filippo from Airxcel. I'm the product manager of Aqua Hot heating systems. Today we are here presenting our new system, the Wave 40. I would say about this system that the main feature is flexibility, because we tried in one product to unify all the possible heating needs that it can be. So first feature is the continuous hot water. So it's not just the comfort of the continuous hot water, but it's also the fact that not having a boiler, it means that you don't have also the problems that a boiler can give you, like drain the water during the winter, leakaging or damaging. The second thing is on the right side, we have the classical air force ducting. So you can heat the vehicles through the classical 60mm tube ducting. On the other side, we have also the possibility to add an hydronic loop. And you can use it or just with the forced air, or just as a full hydronic product, or these two can be combined and work simultaneously together. What does it mean? It means that the unit, the controller, is controlling two different thermostatic areas. So with one, you control the forced air. With the second one, you control the hydronic. Or if you use just one or another, you just have to select one zone. Okay? This will be available in the market starting from this October, November, more or less, in the diesel version. Okay? The power of the unit is a modular burner that goes from 2 to 10 kilowatts. It means that it will be a very flexible system because it will fit perfectly for small, medium, and big vehicles. It will be available with an app that is controlled through Wi-Fi. Okay, so you can control it wherever you are from remote. It will be also open source, so if someone is interested to have another kind of controller, the protocol initially will be the RVC standard protocol. And yes, I think it's over.
Hello, my name is Lukas Schwehr. I'm product manager by the company Alde, and today I show you the demo models here on the fair Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf. And we start with the ATC model. So the ATC is a anti-swing control system. So everybody of you maybe have the experience in the caravan business of swinging of the caravan, and the ATC system is a good product to determine the swinging of the caravan. And the model is shown here and will be the whole week here to see it. As every year, we have also our maneuvering systems on the fair. We have on the left side the Alco Ranger, which is a half automatic system. And we also have our Alco Mammut system on the right side, which is a full automatic system. Now we are here on the demo model of the hydraulic leveling system Level C by ENP, a daughter company of Alco. And the system brings your caravan automatically into the water. Yeah? So it's complete clear with these 6 steadies, with the hydraulic steadies. So I showed you the caravan products on the Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf. Now we are here on the motorhome products. We have 2 hydraulic leveling systems. One of these systems is the new system by our daughter company EMP. It's the Level M Pro. And special by the Level M Pro is the weight. It's from 56 kilograms and brings also, like the Level C in the caravan business, your motorhome automatically into the level. As I mentioned it, we have 2 hydraulic leveling systems in the motorhome business. So I explained to you the Level M Pro, and now we are here by the high force system. The special thing by the high force system is that every cylinder by the high force system has his own hydraulic pump unit and his own electric control system. So it's a so-called decentral system. Besides the hydraulic leveling systems in the motorhome business, we have also other accessoires on the Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf. We have some driving topics like the comfort drive, Alco comfort drive, and we also have some accessoires for bike carriers. And we also have an outside stand, which are other products to see. And hopefully you enjoyed it. I showed you some caravan products on the demo models and a lot of motorhome models. Thank you.
I'm Lukas, sales manager at Alco Vehicle Technology Electronics, and today I'm proud to introduce Onda Connectivity, our innovative digital system that brings smart technology and remote control to your motorhome or caravan. With Onda Connectivity, you're able to manage and control all the utilities in your motorhome or caravan. This is possible thanks to one single device, the gateway, which enables the connection in terms of via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi by using also just one SIM card that can be installed in one router. The free app is already available on the stores online, so you just need to download it and you're ready to go. With that, with the Onda app, you are able to connect remotely, anytime, anywhere, your utilities. Just to give you an idea of the benefits with the Onda, imagine you are still on the road in a cold winter and you want your motorhome to be warm before you arrive. You just turn on the heating, okay, just by tapping on the app. And you can enjoy your returning back to the motorhome. Or maybe you're camping off-grid and you just need to check the battery charge or the waste water tank level remotely. You can do it. Everything is possible, and all this is possible thanks to the Onda app. But not only this feature, because you are able to control and monitor lights, heating, air conditioning, GPS location, battery, and temperature inside and outside, all in your hand. What's important to know also is that Onda is compatible with many third-party devices. What's also new for this season is the Onda Smart System, new technology specifically dedicated and designed for the aftermarket segment, which enables Bluetooth connection with many smart devices, such as the solar regulator that works with MPPT technology and is capable to reach powers up to 400 watts. Also the BDS battery dual system or battery selector that manages charging and discharging of two different laser batteries. And finally, the shunt 500 amps that is useful to indicate the state of charge, state of health, and remaining capacity of your lithium battery. Last but not least, to give everyone a taste of what Onda can do, even if you don't yet installed any system. Both apps are available in the demo mode so that you can experience the full potential of the app directly on your phone. It's simple, easy, intuitive, and ready to use. In short, Onda Connectivity takes your vehicle to the next level and gives you the possibility to manage every utility directly from your phone remotely with safety, comfort, and innovation. So I invite you to download the app, try the demo, and enjoy the experience. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.
Hello, my name is Thomas Braun from Alde, Germany, and I'm really proud to present our new diesel heater. You can see here some technical data. We have 3 kilowatt electricity power, and we have 6 kilowatt diesel power, so together 9 kilowatt. That's really a lot. Inside you find a 10-liter freshwater boiler for continuous hot water if you need for shower or something like that. Also the burner is new, the burner is stepless, so that means the burner will not always go on and off, so it works stepless in a very smooth way. That's for the end customer also very comfortable because it don't smells and it's not so loud. That's really comfortable for you. The system is certified completely, yeah, with all the convectors and pumps you need, and that you find only at Alde, because the certification on the complete system is only in our company. So that's the new things from our heater. Maybe for the end, for you as a customer, you have continuous hot water, you have always a comfortable temperature inside, and it's really, really not noisy. It's very quiet, the heater, and so that's what you need, I think, when you go to camping.
Hello, I'm Marco Corradini, CEO of AMA Composites. We are located in Italy. We are here like, every single year to present our product for recreational vehicle application. We focus our goal over the interior stream, and the new idea is electroconductive membrane to be applied over the floor, the ceiling, and the other area inside the recreational vehicle. Talking about the interior stream, we can say that we are pushing every single year over the LWRT technologies, lightweight reinforced technology, exactly. And is based on a combination of polypropylene and different external layers, such as non-woven or fabric applied with PU or others. Of course, we are talking about sustainable products. Our product, is much more lighter compared with, for example, ABS vacuum forming or GRP. And imagine that normally we use 1,000 GSM per square meter, means 1 kilo every square meter. We are here also to try to enter in a new market with a new opportunity, new area. We enjoy, we hope and we are sure to be able to cover, to help our customer to achieve our mutual goal.
Good morning, I'm Simona from Amplo. I introduce our company. We are a manufacturer of hydraulic leveling systems since 2000, and this year we present the new display to the Caravan Salon. We can switch on the system from the remote control, so it's enough to push a button and wait just a second, and the screen is on. Here you can see the bubble that show you if you are in line or not. The battery consumption of the engine battery. We can do now level system, automatic leveling. In this way, jacks are working alone. You can see that the flashing are the same jacks that are moving in this time. We develop every year every kind of brackets for all the vehicles that we have on the market. And this is our power because we can customize the product to every single vehicle. We have also different sizes of jacks. Usually we fit telescopic jacks with also folding jacks, depends on the weight of the motorhome. The most important things are our customer. We have a customer service all around Europe, in every country, and also here in Germany. You can find our dealer and other small workshops that can assist you if you have huge with the system. You can reach us at our website or mail or phone, and we are available for any other kind of questions. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.
Welcome on Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. My name is Sascha, and I'm happy to present you the actually latest and best products from Autoterm. Beside our classical diesel heater, which is very stable and a reliable device with 3 different control panels, but at least we are happy to run the 2D, which is a 2 kilowatt diesel heater, or the 4D, which is a 4 kilowatt diesel heater, and control this with a Autoterm comfort control. You can have a lot of settings and very comfortable with a timer. Different temperature modes are easy to set. And of course, we listen to the market, and sometimes you have not so much space in your builds, so that you need to have a different shape, because regularly, as you can see here, you have the mounted heater and you have the regular heater comes actually, as you can see here in the sample, with a pipe for the cold air intake, and of course on the other side the hot air which is leaving. And normally it should be 1 meter before you start any kind of curves or other pipe bendings. In this case, we listened to the market and we did a new housing, which is called the Autoterm R2D tight space. Tight space because of not enough room to mount it. We have an option to redirect the air directly around 90 degrees around the corner. Sorry. And you can mount it in different directions. And as you can see, you save, surprise, a lot of space. So we will have also coming an integration into the Revotion smart camper system. So that means you can easily have a remote control by your app or by your smart application in your camper vans and other camper conversions. To control everything, the heat, you can control the boiler, you can see the temperature, and even from home or you are skiing in the mountains, you can start the heater and check the temperature. What I would like to present is our Combi Boil. The boiler series we have, at least you have 3 options. The Combi Boil is combining using the hot air, so we have an air heat exchanger. Then we have an electrical heating element, or you can integrate, this is the third option, you can integrate the motor cooling cycle. So 3 ways to warm up your water. We have 3 different sizes, which is 7 liter, 9 liter and 12 liter. And who doesn't need to combine it with an air heater or even has no space to build it in your car, we have other boiler options which I would like to show you over there. Just follow me. Over here you can see a cross-section model from our Combi Boil. As I mentioned, the Combi Boil is using hot air to heat over the heat exchanger the water around it. You can use a heating element which is running with 12 volts or 24 volt or 230/110. And of course, as I mentioned, you can integrate the cooling cycle from your car. Over here, this is our monoboil. The monoboil has only the electrical heating element. And as you can see, the diameter is much smaller. So if you have less space, this is a perfect solution. Comes in 3 sizes, 3 liters, 4.5 and 6 liter. And again, the heating elements you can pick from 12, 24 or 230 volt. All the boilers, the electrical heating elements, coming with a relay, which is measuring the temperature of the water. You can set the temperature and it will switch on and off the electrical heating element. One special feature to mention is that we have the Autoterm comfort control, which is controlling the air heaters, and to integrate the boilers into the system, we developed the Autoterm comfort boiler control. The special feature is that you can control and check actually the temperature during the thermostat, which is combined with the comfort control. And then you can see actually the actual temperature of the water, and you can start and stop heating, and the boiler will automatically heat up your water to your wished temperature. Which is also coming, and we are very excited about this. Its development is finished and it's in the production, is the remote control for all the boilers and especially for the air heaters, which is expected in the middle of winter. So keep in touch, stay excited. Thank you.
Welcome to Bartolacci Design Booth at Caravan Salon 2025. For us this year is a very important year because we celebrate our 20th anniversary. So it's 20 years that this company operates in RV component markets, and we had each year an important growth. In fact, this year we are showing what we have consolidated during 24 and 25. That is our new range of product for shower accessories. That means we have started finally the production of our shower doors, our shower platform, and our shower column. And we have already started to deliver, to supply them to some of the most important OEM in the market. This has allowed us to have an important growth and to enter also in with new customers supplying new products. Of course, this has been something important for us, but we didn't left the focus on our core business, that it is the acrylic production. So we are able to manufacture and to create any kind of acrylic products, plain or bended. And what has been our first production articles, that has been the lighting, that is on the other side of the booth. I would like to introduce our product manager, that is Lapo Bartolacci, that Andreas, the CEO and founder of the company, son. So we move on the other side of the booth to show you what we have new.
My name is Lapo Bartolacci. I'm the product manager here at Bartolacci Design. This year, in the lighting sector, we are introducing a new range of products that is more cost-effective without compromising the quality and reliability that our customers expect from us. We know that the market is asking for products that can help our customers lower the price, and so that's why we are focusing also on the more cost-effective products. At the same time, customization remains at the heart of our business. We continue to work closely with our customers to create exclusive lighting products. Whether it's a completely tailor-made project starting from scratch or just a small detail, we work step by step with our customer to create a product that can meet their needs and their vision. So we believe that this double approach can help us meet the needs of all our partners.
Hello, my name is Richard Gravenhorst. I am the business director from Bergstrom, and we are presenting today here in Düsseldorf at the Caravan Show our new Open Air Plus, which is the latest model from Bergstrom. And this is a 2000 watt system which works directly connected to the battery. That means you don't need any inverter, because works, as I mentioned, directly to the battery. This is with the automatic flaps. You can control the flaps automatic via remote control and also via app. Another product that we are presenting at the show this year is a world premiere. We got a request from many customers asking about an air conditioning for the urban vans with pop-up roofs, where it's impossible to install a rooftop system. So here in that, we developed a new system that is installed underneath one part, which is the condenser and the compressor, and the evaporator and blower are installed in the back area. So through the louvers on top, you can get the cold air. This is something that does not exist in the market. This is the first unit that we have presented, or we are presenting here on a Ford basis.
Hi everybody, this is Davide Verde from Brianza Plastica. Welcome to our stand. This year we are going to introduce some new laminates for the interior sidewalls of the campers and caravans. We will start from something really impressive because it's changing the rules of the market right now. If you go this way, you can see our Heliplan design touch, which is a GRP with a pattern on it that you can touch, and you can feel the difference between this one and the smooth one. And in order to increase our portfolio, we thought about increasing the type of patterns that we can do for you. In this case, you can see the first pattern that we have, which is really nice to see, easy to wash, and easy to use as well. Here we have another one, just another type. We can do all the colors, matte or glossy finishing. And then we have this one, which is called Heliplan Touch Style, that is covered by a layer of PVC with a nice structure, really soft touch as well. But the big new for the market will be Elidecor, is our new brand, where we use GRP material to recreate some nice finishing like marble, like skin, like stones. The idea is to offer to the producers the possibility to have on the same panels different kind of designs without any joints, complete width and length, so really easy to use, saving money in the production with a really nice surface. We can reproduce whatever surface you like, so it's just a matter of selecting the design with the designer and put it on the wall. That's it. Thank you.
I'm Paola, sales manager of Castagnari company. We are proud to show you the new kitchen sinks available in the round and the rectangular shapes in 4 colors: black, cream, the dove gray and gray. They are available with their sink drainer, that is this, that you can use also as a trivet on the bench top. The sinks are certified for kitchen use. The characteristics are very high resistance to impact, scratches and solvents. We declined a ceramic material that is hockey grass to RV sector. This is very thin material, 2 mm, that can be used for bench top and also for splashback and for frame, window frame. Is a material with high resistance to thermal dilatation, to hot temperature and scratches and solvents. As you can see here, we have the window frame that is made of the same material. This is our bench tops with soft lighting and with the resist sink, kitchen sinks with the drawer. The drawer is very easy to take off and you can easily clean. It's a sponge, a wet sponge storage, very useful. We present our new framed range of doors, the pivoting door, the sliding one with glass, and the sliding foldable one. Of course, we have our standard doors that are available in different finishing, black and aluminium for the profiles, and the screening can be smoked gray or transparent or opal. Our pivoting divider to separate the shower area from the toilet is with the towel holder and with the wash basin.
Welcome back at our booth at Caravan Salon, where we display some new products, focusing as usual to some trademarks such as lightweight design, comfort and the highest safety standards. Last year we introduced the first e-mobility seatbelt frame, glued to the vehicle floor as a prototype. Well, this year this has now become a full-fledged range of seatbelt frames responding to a highest safety standards suitable for different applications. This system involves gluing slide rails with high-strength PU sealant directly onto the chassis, and the seatbelt frame position can be adjusted. High-strength bonding avoids the need to drill holes in the floor to fix mechanical elements, and this is key to electric vehicles because of the batteries under the floor, but it also advantageous for traditional vehicles because installation is free from any constraints such as structural chassis elements, wirings, pipes and tanks. The e-mobility frames are certified for the high-strength adhesive bonding as well as mechanical fastening, offering remarkable flexibility and optimization of components and faster installation for RV builders. But let's have a closer look to the available frame models. The slim double frame, 2 belts for 2 seats. This product offers major weight reduction up to 15% while keeping the highest safety standards in M1. The result stems from optimized product design combined with the use of high-performance materials. Round tubular profiles crafted from high-strength alloys have been adapted to maximize structural efficiency. Frames for backward-facing seats, featuring a comfort version with backrests. The 2 backrests can in fact be collapsed individually, becoming a side table or armrest. The collapsible backrest is also available for a single seat, and in both cases the new lightweight tubular structure saves 20% weight for double seating and 30% for single seating for ultralight design. The launch of additional 3 new frames not belonging to the e-mobility range is also worth noting. A new kit for Mercedes Sprinter application, which is an hybrid solution, half glued and half mechanically fixed to the floor, which makes the application of the seatbelt frame a lot easier despite the tank under the chassis. After true Combi ready seatbelt frame, this year we introduced the brand new Combi Neo ready seatbelt frame, which is specifically designed to install the new Truma Combi Neo heater at the base and in central position, optimizing storing space and ensuring fast installation by using a support frame with just adjustable slots. Various accessories are of course available for the frames, like adjustable ISOFIX system with or without top tether, reinforcement frame, and a brand new headrest fully compliant to current R17 regulation with safety locking system and different heights regulation. Worth to mention also a fully restyled range of TV brackets, 14 models, lighter and more stable with a new design, in addition to new table leg models and a whole range of revamped swivel plates, all GSR2 compliant. See you next year with a lot more innovations to enhance camping lifestyle.
Hello, afternoon. My name is Roberto Caputo. I am the Director of Sales of Decor and Printing. It's a printing company situated in Italy, nearby Bergamo. Our product portfolio is composing printed paper for the melamine sector, but especially also we are diversified and specialized in producing post-impregnated papers, which are finish files, special dedicated to the application of plywood. And this is bringing us to cooperate together with our sister company, Decorpan, for which we have developed special designs and special products where we would like to transfer the know-how and the knowledge and the design innovation that we are providing to the furniture industry also into the caravan industry. So our portfolio is, has been completed and has been implemented by adding also post-impregnated finish foil with special 3D surfaces where we have a very special pour effect to come close to the natural veneer. Technically wise, the products are also, let's say, performed to come closer and to have a certain requirements to cover also a little bit rough surfaces, which is characteristic of the plywood. For this, we have, for example, our product CP2L, which we are promoting very successfully into this market. And well, the main target is with this cooperation and with this combination of cooperation to provide to our customers into the caravan industry the image and the look of the designs to come as close as possible to the interior market, like it is in the living rooms and the made in Italy, the design, to bring it into the caravan industry.
Good afternoon, I'm Nicola Di Benedetto. I'm working now in Decor Pan. It's a new company created inside the Decoring Group. Decoring Group is a very important paper manufacturers, and for the caravan manufacturers is arrived, I think, a very nice opportunity. So, very important goal in front of this project is arrived to give a very nice, a very high level of front of service, because it's very important to receive the customer, showing the idea, showing the new design, created the new design together, and so after, step by step, arriving to give the final product in panel. I think this is a very nice opportunity, because I think in this moment the caravan manufacturing in front of the market is no established, but market little bit difficult sometimes. Give the very really great service, and only one people regarding for to purchase regarding the decor and final panel, and with the Decorin explain it very well, the very potential in front of for the creation the paper, because I understand, and after 38 years I work in this department, to sell a paper is not easy. Sell the paper, we sell a product, an industrial product with more components, and these components go to increase the quality in the final product and panel. And when the customer have in front one supplier as is in the level for to propose the decor, type of decor, type of panel, and type of service. Because in our side it's very important arrive to organize the process, organize the production, organize the stock, warehouse, and see. And this is, I think, very important in this moment to have a partner, not supplier, a partner in this way.
So, in this combination of our two companies, we provide to our customers the service, and we, I would say, we contribute to their possibility to find within a short time and without big headaches the already finished products where two different very important factors are combined together. It is the design and the paper, and it is the board. And to combine the logistic of all this together is a big help and assistance to our customers to have it all from one hand.
Yes, and it's very important to give a very important message. Very important flexibility in front of the project. When we arrive in front of the customer and explain our power, and the customer ask the best service, we arrive to show in panel after 4-5 weeks, where the customer shows it the design. The time today in the history, the time is money, and our side we are happy to give this cooperation in front of the customer, to arrive in quick way, in a very speed way, to touch the new idea. And it's possible in our company to understand the idea from customer and showing in paper in the same day this idea. And after 1 week on the panel. This is our force, this is our different spirit in front of the other actor in this world.
Welcome to the Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf with Decalin. I would like to focus on a quick review of our products. Here we have products for cleaning. Then here in our bonding and sealing department, you have products that are activator free, they're primer free, everywhere from caulking a sink all the way to gluing a solar panel, anything of the sort. It's quick, it's super durable, UV resistant, and beautiful for quick working in your workshop. Here in our sealing department, we have for one our dabbable sealant. So everything that is excess around, you just dab off and you're good to go. We also have underbody protection and corrosion protection, as well as if you have clients with any kind of tear in their bumper, for example, here, just apply this with a fiberglass mat from the inside, and after 30 minutes you're able to like sand it down and put black back over it, and you can send your clients home happy with a beautiful new bumper. Come and visit us here at the stand, or also book our training courses online. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome to Dimatec stand here at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. I'll have a quick show you around what's new for this year. So we have here our new range of flexible profiles. As you can see, normal white profiles, black profiles with different light effects. We have here then some ceiling light proposals in 3D effect and different colors available, anodized, red, blue, or to your choice. In the interior lighting, we have here our black panel, all black lights with new base, super slim, USB-C connector, and touch switch. All options are available, of course, up to your choice. Then we have here our range of awning lights that you already know, but with improved COB light and a brand new awning light. This comes from the ambulance. It's a very bright, probably the smallest and brightest awning light available on the market. We didn't stop here. We have improved our range of tail lights. As you can see here, this is our Euro line, which we presented last year. We added some new products, a very small fog light that can be installed everywhere on the back of the vehicle, giving maximum flexibility. And then here we have finished our new vision. So it's a complete unit that will be available starting early 2026, and with the full functions on one single unit. And this year we have the opportunity to showcase also our friend of Scanstrat. This is the new Ventura series and the cable seals and outer connectors. And finally, we have here our small highlight. It's a pop-up USB port available from now for everyone. So you don't have to worry about dirt or anything getting into your USB. Everything is neat and clean when closed. Thank you for the show, and I hope you will enjoy this, and see you soon.
Hello everyone, my name is Markus Dremmel. I'm at Dometic responsible for product management, and it's a pleasure to introduce you to our new products. The first product is a new sanitation system, a cassette separation toilet. There's more and more demand for more sustainable, more flexible sanitation systems compared with the chemical toilets. So we have introduced the CTT 4000, which is a waterless dry separation toilet, which separates the liquid from the solid waste. And compared with other systems, we have a cassette type of tank, a dual tank system, which you can easily remove from your service door. I can show it. So this is how it looks like. We have two separate containers, one for the liquid waste and one for the solid waste. The advantage is you don't need water, you don't need chemicals, and you can use any normal toilet sanitation system to dispose it. So you're not reliant on disposal stations. So it gives you a lot of flexibility, and also the range of this before you need to dispose it is much longer than traditional chemical cassette toilets. This product will also be available as a retrofit kit, so that you can convert your chemical cassette toilet into one of these separation toilets in a quite easy way. So this year we introduce a new series of our PU framed window range, the Dometic PureWin S10. It is a polyurethane foamed window with a new design of the frame, new colors, and also new types and colors of our blind system. The advantages of polyurethane windows over other types of frames is better thermal insulation. It has up to 15% better thermal insulation than aluminium frame. It is very flexible to use, so we have it in more than 40 different sizes. It can fit on camper vans, motorhomes and caravans, flat and curved walls, and comes with a variety of different blind and insect protection system. Dometic is the only global manufacturer who can produce these polyurethane framed windows. We have more than 40 years experience with that type of technology, and more than 7 million of these type of windows in the market, now with a new design and proven technology. So this is the Dometic Fantastic Breathe 3100. It's not a brand new product. We have presented it before, but it's still an innovation in our industry. It is an automatic ventilation system that controls the air quality inside the RV. It has two fans, one that blows the air out of the vehicle and one that blows it into it. It's an air quality sensor inside, which automatically controls the airflow. And it has a heat recovery unit inside, so that no energy is wasted. And here we try to visualize the effect when using the product and when not using the product, or when controlling the air quality inside the vehicle, and when you don't do this. Especially during the night, cold nights, winter times, you have a lot of moisture inside the vehicle. And of course, if you have a constant flow of fresh air into the vehicle without energy losses, then it has a very positive effect on the climate. So here we have two new members of our Tempra lithium-ion battery family. The demand for electrical energy storage in the vehicles is increasing. If you want to brew your coffee, cool your groceries, or use your aircon off the grid, you need a lot of electrical energy. That's why we're introducing Dometic Tempra TLB 540, which is a 540 mAh battery that fits under the seat of a Fiat Ducato. So a lot of electrical energy storage in a very compact space. We are also adding the Tempra TLB 100S, which is a 100 mAh battery, also very compact, very lightweight, only 11 kilogram. So as all other products from the Tempra battery range, a lot of capacity in a very small space. We also have connectivity, so Bluetooth connectivity to our Dometic Power app for your energy monitoring and control, and also CI bus connectivity, so that you can integrate this into your mobile power ecosystem very easily. And last but not least, we also have the possibility to charge the battery even at very low temperatures, down to minus 30 degrees C. Due to an integrated heating system, we can use this battery at a very wide range of temperatures.
Welcome to the stand of Driving Change. My name is Koen Gennissen and I will talk to you about our companies. The first company is InnoSlide. We, as the group, make all products for camper vans, caravans and motorhomes. InnoSlide is a company that makes slide-outs. Here behind me you can see our camper van slide-out. It has a width of 1.40 meters and a length of up to 2.20 meters. The unique thing about our slide-out is that it enables you to have a very large bed and still walk around the bed. This is very useful if you want to get out in the night, and with this construction you can still make it a couch, even when the slide-out is retracted. Our slide-outs are made especially for the European market. This means that they have rounded corners, they are easy to have maintenance on, and they are leak-proof. Next to the slide-outs, we also have a company called Horex. Horex makes fly screens and blind systems for also camper vans, motorhomes and caravans. For example, here you can see our rear screen, which is a unique solution to protect the inside of the vehicle against insects while still having the doors open on a warm sunny night. Next to the rear doors, we of course also have a solution for the sliding door on the side. This is our van fly screen door, which we offer to almost all models of camper vans. Of course, we also have the windows that can open, and for this we have a solution as well. These are our R5000 curved blinds, which offer 100% blackout and a 100% insect-proof screen. A new innovation for this is the honeycomb material, for the blackout and for the mesh. For the blackout, it also ensures for extra insulation. Because of the cells, it keeps out the heat during the summer months and it keeps the heat in during the winter. With the honeycomb mesh, it's extra protection against even the smallest insects. To complete the solutions for the camper vans, we also offer you windows. These are also curved in the R5000 and they are extremely flush to the outside and aluminium frames. Moving on from the camper vans, we of course also have solutions for caravans and motorhomes. One of our products for the motorhomes is the fly screen door. This is our E-line product, which offers a premium fly screen for every motorhome. Here on my left, I have a solution for the caravans. This is an aluminium fly screen door, which suits every type of caravan door. We at the Driving Change Group have of course many more products to show you. Also all the different types of colors, materials and configurations. So please visit our website at horex.nl or innoslide.com to find our complete product range. Thank you.
Welcome on the e-trailer booth during the Caravan Salon. Here we launch our new product range, the e-trailer linked network. In this video I'm going to tell you more about the endless possibilities of the e-trailer link network. With the e-trailer app you can control the caravan or motorhome and our possibilities are endless. Maybe you know already that we, for example, in the e-trailer app you can see the water level, the gas level, the tire pressure, GPS tracker and much more. But with the e-trailer link network we now also control other devices over the CI bus in the caravan or motorhome. So for example, we can control the fridge, the AC, the heater, the lights and so on. But let's have a look together on the app. So here in the main menu, for example, if you click on the heater, you can see the room temperature, you can set the room temperature, and you can also choose which type of power supply you want to use. So in one app you can control the heater, also on big distance. Another possibility is to control the boiler. So you can say, turn it on and off, and choose the mode. The last one we have here on the demo app is the fridge. So you can turn on and off the fridge, set the power level and the mode as well. So these are just 3 examples of the eTrailer Link network. But basically we can now with the eTrailer app control the whole vehicle. These features are only available for manufacturers of caravan and motorhomes. And you, as a manufacturer, you can use the eTrailer app, or we can design a special app based on your requirements. So here you see an overview of all the possibilities of the eTrailer Link network. It's based on 4 categories. Power, so you can turn on and off, for example, the lights and the water pump. Climate, so about the heater, the boiler and the air conditioning. Kitchen, for example, to control your fridge. And more. So the possibilities are basically endless, all in one app. So here we see the integration with the Truma heater. So for example, you can see the temperature is now set on 23 degrees. If I change it, for example, to 18 degrees, you will see that also it will be changed in the app. And of course, it also works the other way around.
Hello, I'm Rutger Giele, responsible for global sales at Eberspecher-Zeliox. And today I want to introduce our new Neo 4000, which is an all-in-one inverter battery. That's the heart of the system. The inverter can provide 4000 watt and has a peak up to 8000, so a very powerful inverter. But it also has an internal lithium-ion battery based on 48 volt technique, which can provide 2.04 kilowatt hour, more than enough to last for a long time in your camper. All-in-one also means in our concept that you can charge the system. All the chargers are built inside the box. So we have a grid charger, we have an MPPT solar charger already built in, and of course a DC-DC charger that makes sure that you can charge the system when you're driving. So then what does come out of the system? So I explained how you can charge it. We can provide 12 or 24 volt depending on the system in your vehicle. We can provide 230 volt in the front, but you can connect more 230 volt sockets at the rear. And we have a built-in system, a display where you can see exactly how it's being charged and how it's being discharged, what's the status of the battery, and we have a complete menu where you can see exactly if there's an error, what's going on. We have a menu where you can set all the settings, and we have just a small gimmick here, LED light that also will change in color. So now it's green, it's stable. It turns into blue when it's charging, and it's red when there's an error code. And here behind this small lid we have the RCD switch. Another system which we have in our program is the ZCM6. This is basically a splitter which can split your 12 or 24 volt energy into 6 individual channels, and those channels you can program. One of the things you can do is that you can remotely switch them on and off with these control buttons, or you can do that with the app, which is free available, or we even have a display that you can build into your camper if you want. One of the features also is that you not only can control them, you also can set a certain amperage depending on the load you connected, so you don't need individual fuses anymore. And it's fully flexible and programmable and available now in our assortment.
This is Lapo Mini from company FAF Italy, and I would like to introduce you our products exposed here in our booth at Caravan Salon 2025. This is Horus line. Horus line is our iconic and well-known outlet line installed in most of European recreational vehicles. The line of product includes water and diesel filler, electric and multi-plug outlet, and gas outlet. Diesel and AdBlue are other important parts of our Horus line system. Horus Pro line is our new range of products born from our Horus line experience. Also here you can find all our range of outlet from water, diesel, electric and gas, but with a fresh and new design very close to automotive style. In the last recent years we are focusing on doors, and although we started 3 years ago, we could supply a whole range of doors from driver, motorhomes and to caravan, 1 or 2 points, with or without central locking system. This is our standard entrance door that it's getting common in Europe, and this is our news for this Caravan Salon 2025. A minimal design, as you can see, that can allow our customer to personalize with matching the vehicle interior design. We propose this new door with a hidden handle with a revolutionary design. We already start the production of this door and the delivery to one of the most important RV manufacturers.
So my name's Carl Chrysilevicius. I work for Fiamma. I wanted to talk about some new products that we have. This is the Aqua 8 F pump. So in previous years we used to run 2 parallel types of pump alongside each other. We had our standard Aqua 8 pump and we had an Aqua F pump. Both had different features and were relevant to the market in different ways. What we did when we created the Aqua 8 F pump is we put the 2 best features together. So we now have a very nice size pump which is very adaptable. We have pressure adjusting ability on this pump, and we also have the 4 chambers in this pump. The previous Aqua 8 pump had 3 chambers. The 4 chambers is a better flow. We put the 2 features together in this one pump, and we managed at the same time to bring the price down by about 12%. So it's definitely relevant to the market. Every product that we do now which touches drinking water has to be KTW certified, and all of our water products now hit that criteria. There are 3 versions of the Aqua 8 F pump. We have 7 litres per minute, 10 litres per minute and 13 litres per minute. So here are 2 new products for next year. We have the Vent 28F, which is a restyling of an existing product that we had last year. What we've done to differentiate the product is to drop the frame. The inner frame has a nice gap between there, which allows the addition of an LED upgrade kit, which creates a very good ambient feeling. The product next to it is our Vent 40F, and the Vent 40F is basically a completely new product. It's a vent with 3 operational positions. If you include the closed position, there are actually 4 positions, but 3 of them are operational. It comes as standard with a blind and a mosquito net. We changed the style of the vent in order for it to make a family feeling, so it has the same contour on the top as the Vent 28F. It has the family feeling. It also has the dropped frame, and the dropped frame means that again you can use an optional LED light kit on there. We do 2 sizes for OEM use. We've got something that caters for roof thicknesses between 24 and 45 millimeters, And then we have another option which is from 45 up to 60 millimeters.
We are excited to be back at Düsseldorf for a 2025 show. As you know, Filippo 1971 has been non-stop exhibiting since 2003, and we feel very committed to this show because it connects us to customers all over the world, really, from USA to Australia, New Zealand. So really, we feel like this is the most important show for us. This year particularly, it is important to mark our presence here, not only for our core business, which is the laminated plywood panels and sandwiches for bench tops and furniture construction, but also for doors, post-formed cabinet doors, for which we have received an increased demand over the last few months, and for which we have come prepared because in the last season we have increased our capacity, and we are happy to welcome more and more business in this field. Not only panels and doors or customized curved pieces though, one of our most signature product is also our Vitter, which has been increasingly become a recognizable product all over the industry, not only for bench tops but also for shower walls. Typically, the shower cubicle has always been very clinical looking, so adding a little bit of a warmth with digital printing in the shower column would be, a nice detail which designers are welcome to develop with us. And we've got on the stand this year, we've got some provocative designs, but it's meant to show you how far we can go, and we are here to support the industry and to welcome any new collaboration. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Andreas. I'm part of the GOG company. We are a manufacturer and producer of LPG stuff, especially regulators and all the stuff from the cylinder to the appliances. This year we want to introduce a new filter element or a new filter which has to be installed previous or upstream of a regulator, especially optimized for the installation in fixed tank installations on caravans. This filter has a lot of advantages. It keeps the whole LPG system tidy and prevents for blocked regulators or malfunctions, and keeps the whole system, the whole LPG system, clean and tidy. The maintenance of the of the filter is quite easy because you just have to open the cup and replace the filter element, which is cheap and easy and prevents, as I said, the whole installation. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Gerardo Boschi, Commercial Director of BtoB, an Italian company based in the center of Italy. We are today introducing you the new air conditioning plein aircon 12 volt. A real 12 volt air conditioning means that with the lithium battery you can be in your camper van all night long, fresh, without be connecting to the 220 volt short power. Here you can see our new range of portable refrigerators, 12 24 volt, in the born with the real first 12 volt refrigerators during the 60s. And now we are going out with a new, very well designed range of portable refrigerators. And our built-in 12 volt refrigerators, you see, with an anti-touch surface, coated and steel. Inside you have stainless steel accessories, and we have a wide range of different models, between them real drawer refrigerators.
Hello together, we are the company Innomatic. We are a system supplier for electronic components like displays, like control panels and campus controller. We are a manufacturer from Germany, and actually we come from the special vehicle markets like police, ambulances, fire departments, and we are pretty new in this branch, in the camping caravan branch, and yeah, we are a certified supplier. All our components has E1 homologation to use it in Europe as well, and yeah, we have really high quality standards because it is really important that the components works correctly in the vehicle, and what we have we will introduce now. Yeah, we have different control panels. The smallest panel we have has 3 keys. The biggest we have has 70 keys, and the key symbols are freely selectable. So we work with slide-in labels, and with this, yeah, we can switch the lights. We can switch. Yeah, the heater, the climate control. We work with different other manufacturers like Victron Energy, like Webasto, like Eberspecher, Dometic, and you have the possibility to integrate it, all the system in our campus controller, and with it you have just one display in the vehicle and can control everything. We have one display, it's our own development, it's completely freely programmable, so the customer has the possibility to make a picture of his own vehicle, and yeah, with it he can switch everything in the vehicle, yeah, as I mentioned, like lights, like heater, climate control, and for example here you can switch the lights. We have demonstrated on the wall over there. And maybe to see it a little bit better, we have also an app integration as well, because yeah, we have a new IoT module, and with the IoT module we have the possibility to have a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and a GSM or LTE connection. And yeah, the app is also freely programmable, and yeah, here you can see the information from the starter battery, additional battery. You can switch the inverter on off. You can see the fresh water level, the wastewater level. You can switch also the pumps on off. Then you see the temperature from the interior and the out temperature. Yeah, you can switch the light as well. We have also an RGB module to yeah, switch, for example, the lights in the vehicle with different colors. Yeah. Then we have also the step. This could be also really interesting for you because our CAN modules have a CAN connection to the vehicle as well, and with it you have the possibility to get all signals out, like ignition, like D+, like door contacts as well. And for example, if you open the door, you can switch the lights automatically on, slide out the step, and all these functions. Then yeah, you can also have the completely climate control, yeah, as I mentioned, via Webasto, via Dometic as well. And yeah, so now here you can see you can control, yeah, your ist and soll temperature, and yeah, automatically the climate control, yeah, switch on and yeah, regulate all these things. Yes, we have also a lot of other components like relays, like CAN I/O modules, like CAN LIN gateways. So yeah, we have a big range on different components. So if you have any demand on campus units or whatever, contact us. We will help you, and yeah, I hope to hear from you soon.
I am Francesco Lucaroni, the manager of Complast. This year we introduced our range of rolling shutters, which is our flagship product, and we have some new profiles that have been introduced this year. This range includes profiles for small cabinets as well as larger profiles for doors and toilet. And we present all the process of production, mounting, and finishing of the doors with painting or with special digital print impression. The collection is very, very wide. It gives a wide range of choices to customers for the personalization of the environments inside the vehicle, which is now a very important part of the business, not only for the big guys, but also for the middle-sized companies that are coming more and more on the wave. This is our new system, Chimera. It's a combination of two elements, the main profile with some connecting element that can be on the surface for playing with colors and tones, or can be inside just to make the door more flexible and easier to run in very special bends, also in negative bends. This makes the profiles extremely silent, even in very bad conditions when you drive the vehicles, and makes it possible to play with a very large variety of finishes, from the painting to the digital print. As you can see, also the internal aspect of the door is enriched. All the doors are painted very accurately, also inside, and this gives the toilet, the shower room environment a completion of aesthetic, design and function. We have the possibility to have the door work in any kind of environment. We manufacture the tracks, bending them to design, to drawing, and we manufacture the door to customer specs. So everything is in principle tailor-made. This is our corner showing the variety of profiles that we extrude for the sandwich panel connections, and all these profiles are now used in the RV business to complete the shell of the vehicles, because they protect the vehicle from infiltration of water, from weather problems, molds, and all the major manufacturing companies are changing now from wood to this material, and we can say that Complast is on the wave, is on the lead for this material, because we have started with it about 12 years ago, and we have now a very long experience on it. Basically, we extrude the profiles in different sizes, and then we reduce the sizes to the spec of the customer. We have a very, very little tolerance. We can work with 1/10 of millimeter precision, and this is appreciated by our customers, as well as the fact that we extrude, but after extrusion we calibrate the profiles for the best possible gluing process. As I said, this is now very popular, and Combiplast, which is the name, the commercial name of this product, is a leading product in the sector.
So that's basically level 9, our new ramp wedge. It's a combination of hardware and software. So you got the ramp wedges itself and an app for Apple and for Android. And the app guides you through the whole process. That means that you're gonna put the app on a flat surface in your camper, and you're gonna tell the app to measure the underground and to tell you which step you need in order to stand straight, basically. And now the app tells you, okay, it's on the back wheel on the left side level 3 and on the right side level 3, and then you can just adjust the red steps, level 3, level 3, and then you just drive on it and you're standing straight, and that's it. So no more try and arrow, no more back and forth, no more neighbors watching you while you're on the campsite. Just one time measuring via the app, adjusting the red wedges, driving on it, and that's basically it.
I'd like to give you some introduction into our Lippert PowerNet product range, or it's rather a system than products. If you want to say so, it replaces our well-known electroblock EBL and distributes the function over the vehicle. That gives a number of advantages to the end user, but as well to the OEMs. And a very brief introduction into the different components. It's basically 4 components. What you see here is our central power supply, where the functions of loader and booster that you might know are integrated. We have a second product that is a intelligent power distribution. There you connect the main sources and consumers. And you have the so-called ISC, the intelligent sensor control. There you connect all the switches in the vehicle or the tank probes and things like that, window sensors. And with this combination of these 3 products, you build up a bus-based intelligent energy network with a lot of additional functions, with a lot of control. That's only one part of it. What comes additional is the so-called SCG, that is the gateway to the internet or to your phone, where you can control all these devices locally, but also via the mobile network, so also 1,000 kilometers away. So you have total control over your cabin part. Of course, still, as you know, there is a local display, so you can alternatively, through the app, you can use the local display to control and to see the different functions. What I think is most important is the functionality that the end user gets on top. So the configuration basically is configured via software. So sensors and switches can be changed. Like if you want to change a light, an ambient light profile, the same switch can be reprogrammed and used for a different functionality. Most important, however, I think, is the connection back in terms of a technical support. So if your system has a technical problem, the system could call back, if you want that, to the OEM or a service provider that is looking into your vehicle, into the cabin part of the vehicle, and can assist you via phone or via internet. So that takes away the complexity from the end user to a technical service that really understands what the vehicle is all about. That is pretty much the same what you have in your car today. So it's nothing new, but we extend that function into a cabin. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. We are here today at the booth of Lippert. My name is Fabio Romagnoli. I'm the engineering director of the Caravanning division of Lippert Italy. And it's a pleasure for me today to show you our new product, InKey. InKey is an RFID keyless system. It doesn't work with app or Bluetooth because these help the final customer to avoid issues with loss of connectivity or cybersecurity issue. So we decided to use physical unclonable tags. Up to 10 can be supported by InKey, or the other option is to have a sticker. I put mine between the cover and the smartphone. In both cases, just touching this point with the key, you can close or open the door. The same with the sticker. Now it's closed again. and now it's open again. Thank you for watching. So I want to show you Nuvola. Nuvola is our new autonomous bed lift system. It's working using a battery, so it's a 100% wireless. The battery is able to cover more than 50 cycles, even considering heavy-duty beds. The one at the show is very light, so we can cover a lot more than that. But we decided also to include in this product an inductive charging, so the customer in this way can completely forget to recharge the bed. So if the battery is the heart of the system, the new controller on board is the brain. So the new controller can control the status and the charging of the battery, the bed, the lights, and it's equipped also with a Bluetooth module, so it's able to pair it with the remote controller like the one that I have in my hands, or in the future to connect it with the control board of the vehicles or an app on the smartphone. So let me show you how it works. Just pushing up, you reach the charging. It's not mandatory. I can stop it in every position, of course, and move it in every position. If I reach the top position and I keep pushing, after a while, the lights will turn on. If I push again, the light will turn off. Of course, it's also possible to use it and move it using the controller on the bed itself, or to stop it using the key.
Hi everybody, Roberto Bigoni from Company Male. I'm the sales manager, and we are very happy to be here in Caravan Salon Düsseldorf for the 30 years in continuous, and I feel proud because it's a very good and important exhibition, this one, and as I retold again, we are very proud to be here again because we think it's the most important exhibition, and maybe not only in Europe, probably in the world for the caravan industry, and it's full of good innovation idea and good people, suppliers, friends, customers. So we are here, and we will be here again next year. Bye.
Hello, I'm Francesco from Ambi Trading. We are a printing company based in Tuscany, in Italy, and we are a leading supplier for decorative stickers, and we already work in all Europe, and we are here to promote our brand and our company.
Good morning everyone, I'm Pietro Modoni, I'm in charge of sales in Nobilpan. Nobilpan is a family company founded in 1975 in Mezzano Superiore, Parma, in the north of Italy. Is a business. The business of Nobilpan is a flat lamination panel, and this is the 12th year that Nobilpan has been present in Düsseldorf, here in Düsseldorf, with different type of product for vehicle. Nobilpan offers its customer a wide range of product for furniture, for walls, for ceiling, and for the floors. This year we focus on materials with high aesthetic and technical value to meet the demand for welcoming, functional and durable environments for our customer. Our proposal therefore widens from traditional wood panels coated with different type of decoratives, for example paper, plastic foil, but also HPL and different type of color and structure. If you need some information, you can visit our website.
Hi, I'm Elena from Nova Mapa, and we are at Caravan Salon at Düsseldorf, and we show you some news about the table leg and table support for camper and caravan. So this one is the new prototype. Our idea is that all the things that you can use, you can't use in the trip could be disappeared or stored in a corner. So this is our new prototype for the table leg. when you don't use the table leg, you can close the tabletop and push it down. Another news about the table support or the table support for the Caravan. It's the same of the table support for the camper, but have a largest base, so you don't have to fix it the table support to the floor. You only have to push the button and push down, and you can do the bed, and if you push another time the pedal, it comes up. This is another little news, maybe for the kitchen it's better. So we have do this type of furniture, so you can personalize with your logo. Now we put our logo, but we can do also with the logo of the company. And we have many different types of this article. Thanks for watching, and if you want some information, you can visit our website or send us an email.
Hi everybody, I'm Andrea Emanuele, Head of Sales at Ofolux. Ofolux is an Italian company. We are based close to Milano, and we design and manufacture LED systems, interior and lighting for vehicles. So here we are at the Caravan Salon 2025 to show our new products. In particular, we have some linear systems, LED systems with spotlights. Then we have some new lamp, circle lamp, and some new system to control the additional lights on the vehicle. So basically, it's a lamp with two switches integrated, specifically designed for vans, small vans, where you have the light on the ceiling and below the bed, for instance. A point of strength of our company is that we are able to customize our products. So we work close by with OEMs. Not only in the RV field, actually, but also, for instance, for bus manufacturers. And we have electronic and mechanical engineering in-house in Italy, in our plant. And also production processes internalized over the years, such as plastic extrusions for light diffusers and injection molding, SMT assembly for the assembly of PCB, printed circuit boards.
Good morning, I'm Anita Nencioni, sales manager of Palomar, a company founded in 2003 in Certaldo, right in the heart of the motorhome valley. From a small workshop, Palomar has grown into a highly organized industrial enterprise with over 11,000 square meters of production spaces and state-of-the-art Industry 4.0 machinery. Our mission is to deliver a tailor-made solution for the recreational vehicle, walls, floor, and roofs, ensuring quality, flexibility, and rapid response time. We manufacture panels customized in material, thickness, and size, up to 10 square meters long, designed to meet even the toughest challenges, such as 4x4 motorhomes built for extreme environments. Our expertise goes beyond RVs. We also serve the marine railway and mobile home industry, providing technical consulting that helps customers optimize their project right from the concept stage. A cornerstone of Palomar is sustainability. We have installed more than 4,000 square meters of photovoltaic panels, adopted low-impact production processes, and developing Palopur, 100% recycled insulation panels. In recognition of these efforts, we were awarded the prestigious Tutela Ambiente certificate by the ANTA in 2024. Equally important is our focus on people. We invest in continuous training, promote workplace well-being, and support social and cultural initiatives in our community, particularly in sports. Finally, our governance is rooted in transparency, ethics, and long-term vision, strengthened by international certifications such as the ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001. In short, Palomar is a company that combines innovation, competitiveness, and social responsibility, standing out as a strategic partner for the further sustainable mobility in the recreational vehicle industry and beyond. Thank you.
We are proudly to present our new product, which will be available beginning of next year. It's a ventilation system for a camper. We are talking about multi-ride traveling. Everybody knows that we have some moisture issues in the car and ventilation without dust and so on. You can keep the windows closed and you have always fresh air. Also, your car's parked in a car park or when you're not traveling, we are taking care that the conditions are perfect in the car. For this, we have this box. We have an inlet from outside. We bring the used air outside, and this is for sucking in. You can open it, and I show you what's inside. Because when we always exchange the air, we have a lot more heating costs, even when you open your windows or your roof ventilation. And therefore, we have a heat exchanger. We are recovering up to 94% of the air. So you're sucking in the 2-degree cold air and blowing out the 22. And we're heating up the cold air with the old air up to 17 or 18, 19 degrees, and your heater has not so much to do. The same is, the interesting thing is in summer, you have an air conditioning on your top, and we are blowing in 35 degrees air, and you are getting out 20. We're exchanging the temperature, and your air conditioning is much more efficient. Yeah. We have filters inside. It's especially good for pollen or dust. You get an information when you have to clean it. A really important thing is that we are controlling the pollution from the intake air. If you park, you're waiting for the ferry to go to an island, and the truck is parking beside your car, and you're sucking the exhaust in the car. We are stopping this ventilation, to protect your life. One more point. In spring, in my car, I have 35 degrees inside and 20 degrees outside. And when I exchange the temperature, I get the inside the air up to 29. And I don't like this. But we detect that the desired temperature of you, maybe it's 21 or 22, is much lower than the inside air. We change the direction here inside and create a bypass, so that the outgoing air is not going through the heat exchanger. It's going in a bypass under this lid and goes directly to the outside. So that is, in a short time, explained our new product, Smart Vent. And I think it's a good addition for every camper who has wet on the windows in the morning. You know this problem since decades, and I think we can clarify this.
Hello everyone. I introduce myself. I'm Elisabetta Simona Magrone, and I'm responsible for marketing and communication for Ravago Building Solutions for Germany, DACH region, and Core Composite in Italy as well. The company Ravago is a Belgian company located in Arendonk, but we have many subsidiaries around Europe. That means that we have a strong presence all across the countries. So we are located in Germany. We have production sites in Rhein-Münster and Schkopau, but we have also some production and facilities in France, in Greece, and in UK, in King's Lane. We are very strong. We have a very strong heritage with recycled components, because the company Ravago started in Belgium exactly with this purpose, with a great idea in 1961, recycling plastic material, which was very innovative at that time. And nowadays we are bringing forward this principle, we are bringing forward this innovation and state of mind, trying to improve in our product every time. We have two products. The blue one is the Autoterm XPS, and then we have the gray one, the Autoterm XPS X. The differences are not only in the formulation. The gray one has better lambda value, which means that has better performances. But we try also to improve the concept of sustainability, of energy efficiency beyond the product itself. That means that we take care also of the sustainable aspects for the production facilities. We have like solar panels for our production facilities. We have wind energy, and we try to improve any time this concept that is really getting more and more importance nowadays. Having said that, we have also a very strong team. We have a sales force all around Europe, and also technical support for any kind of question that might arouse from our customers. We can offer tailor-made solutions, in particular for camping and caravanning. Tailor-made solution, that means any kind of request that can be taken into consideration and can be adapted for depending on the needs of our customers. For any kind of information, please visit our website and contact us at ravagobuildingsolution.com/industry. We will be very happy to take every kind of request and question coming from you. See you very soon. Ciao.
Hello and welcome to the Renogy stand here in Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf. My name is Götz Rutenkolk. I am responsible to build up Renogy's business here in Germany and in Europe. And I would like to share some of our newest products with you. Our main focus this year is on the next generation of lithium batteries. We call it solid state batteries. And the main advantage is that this is like the EV technology we are going to bring into the caravanning sector. The batteries are chemically much more stable than the ordinary lithium batteries, which will lead into much more safety. They will not going to burn as easy or explode. So this is a very, very important security feature. Also, the way they are built, they are much more robust, which just gives them a longer lifespan, and we are giving a warranty of 8 years. But actually we think of like 10 very free years at least with our new lithium 2.0 batteries. This is the first prototype of our new underseat power box, which will include an AC/DC charger, your inverter, and all our distribution box to run all the loads you need in your vehicle. And if you think this is like the driver's seat, and then you will have your passenger seat here with the battery included. So we have a very compact, small system which will include all your electric needs, especially for smaller vans, panel vans, and will give you more freedom in layouts and all these things.
We have here is the Revolution digital control system. So basically our mission is to bring all the manufacturers and all the devices that you have on board into one system, into one app. So basically what we have here is a regular Android tablet where our app is running on. And we have basically different functionalities that you can pick
to bring all into one system. Everything starts up here with our brain, which is the main computer of the system, where basically all the communication goes through. So this has, for example, GPS and SIM card already integrated for remote access and software updates. And all the modules basically communicate wirelessly with the brain through our own protocol. And the modules just need electricity. So in the end, we have different modules for different functionalities. So for example, here we have the node level, which is for precise tank levels in the end. So you can connect 2 tank sensors here. So you can basically on the percent display all your tank levels. We have the same thing for temperatures here as well, so you can include temperatures in your system. We have a node switch for digital switching. So you can basically switch every device that you have on board on or off through our system, and also node ambient for lighting. Down here we have a battery module as well. So this has 5 channels where you can individually basically put different energy consumers and generators on the channel. So if you have, for example, like a solar panel on top, you can put that on one channel and then basically individually read the channels and exactly see how much electricity is coming from where and going where, basically. This is the whole system. All the modules as I said, need electricity and communicate wirelessly. So on the one hand, it's very easy to retrofit, and also nice for serial productions, because you just basically need electricity to run through the modules and can kind of create chains for that. So it can go from the module to the device or sensor, and don't need to wire cables for each device at the end. What we have new then as well is our Connect module, where you can integrate different manufacturers and devices directly into our system. So here, for example, we have the Eberspecher heater, but we're also compatible with, for example, Truma heaters and ACs. We have Dometic fridges and ACs. We have Alde heaters, for example, Ditronic alarm system, and EcoFlow batteries, for example. So a whole bunch of different manufacturers that we work together with.
Welcome Aboutcamp BtoB readers. Welcome to our booth at CSD in Düsseldorf. This is Self-Sort booth, and I'm going to show you today what we are exhibiting here, what we are showing in regards of products. We are manufacturer of routers for Wi-Fi in the camper van, in the RV. We have our different routers with different antennas that can do a connection to the mobile phone network to have internet reception or to a Wi-Fi campsite. Our routers and our software are also ready for a connection to the Starlink antennas and the Starlink internet. Just come with me, and I'm gonna give you a short introduction about our user interface of the routers. When we are connected with our mobile device to the Wi-Fi of the router, and we are logged in the browser to the router's interface, we have here the Wi-Fi interface where we can connect ourselves or the router to a campsite Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi of a campsite is not that good or super crowded, you can select the SIM card interface. Here we are already showing the brand new eSIM router Self-Sort MWR5560. You can select one or another physical SIM card or up to 3 profiles, SIM profiles. And if you are traveling around the world and you maybe have no Wi-Fi connection, maybe no mobile internet connection to a network of a mobile network operator, then you can connect a Starlink antenna to the WAN port of the router, and then you can also use the Starlink interface or the Starlink internet, the satellite internet. Come around with me to the other desk, and I'm going to show you the different solutions that we have for Starlink. We are official Starlink authorized retailer for the camping branch. We have the Starlink antennas like the Starlink Mini or the Starlink Standard, and we have dedicated accessories for the RV industry. That means we have mounts to install the antennas on the roof of a camper van or RV. We have different power supplies to power that Starlink antennas with 12 volts, which is quite important. And we also are able to inform you about tariffs, how to operate the system, how to connect everything. That's our stalling section here. If you follow me to the other side, then I also give you an introduction about our satellite antennas for standard TV satellite reception. So here you're going to see different kind of antennas to have or to collect the signal of the satellite for watching TV. We have as well portable antennas as well as installation antennas, which is installed on the roof. Selfsod is quite well known for its flat antennas with a brand name or with a model name Snipe. That's what we're going to show here. And inside we also show our smart TVs and soundbars to have a full lineup, a full portfolio of camping multimedia products. That's it for the moment. We are looking forward to get in contact with you. Just email us info@satco-europe.de or come through by telephone or check out our social media.
Good morning. The news of this year in Swansea is the rebranding of our name. Since almost a decade we have been changing our skin, so it was now time to show the world what we have become or what we are going to do. Treasuring 60 years of solid business, we want to take advantage of our experience to go on with a touch of modernity and innovation in our field. Speaking about products, we have completed our range of skylights, including MAN, Mercedes-Benz and Fiat Ducato. Not forgetting also the application for motorhomes. We have besides developed 2 new doors, always thinking about quality, but keeping in mind also a reduction cost. And we have completed the range also with accessories such as the blinder and the new mosquito net. So we are able now to propose a complete range of products with all accessories. So stay tuned and follow us on our social media and LinkedIn page to find out how we are going to shape your vision.
Good morning, I am Vittorio Simioli from Teleco, and I am proud to show you our new product Ultra Comfort 8000. Last year we have presented Ultra Comfort 6000, this year the 8000 is an evolution of our small air conditioner. This is made for bigger motorhome. Is exactly the same installation like the Ultra Comfort 6000, but with an extra power in cooling and in heating. In all our products can be equipped with a module Wi-Fi, and after you can control the air conditioner from distance. In this Ultra Comfort 8000 we have make another innovation. We have put it inside another innovation optional is Sterilizer Pro. Sterilizer Pro is a special system that it works with LED UVA that are able to sterilize completely all the air that it come out is sterilized. Can have 360 meter cube per hour. So if you compare a motorhome, maybe have safety certified in 10 minutes, it can be sterilized. And of course, it will be an option, but also it sterilizes the air, and it can also take out part of the smell that you can have inside to the motorhome. With a smell, maybe you have a dog, maybe you have a kitchen, some things that, and especially also in summer, in winter times that you cannot not open the window. It will be available starting from November, and we think we can do some very nice job. Of course, this can be used only for Stellantis group. It means Fiat, Peugeot, Opel, and Opel, Toyota, all the brand. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.
Hello, I'm Norbert from Thetford. Welcome to the Thetford booth, and I will explain you a bit about our new products. Starting with our S and SK series, our separation toilet concepts. We will sell two complete separation toilets, being the S220 and the S260, to replace the C220 or C260 if you want to start from scratch with a separation toilet. If you already have a C220 or C260 installed, you can actually transform them into a separation toilet by using a kit, an SK220 or SK260. So what's in the kit? First of all, a complete toilet bowl. And this toilet bowl is ergonomically optimized for both men and women. It has both the inner and the outer, so it's a stable bowl and it will support easy installation. Inside you will see this part. You can easily move by the button. Actually, the button can also be put on the other side. And by closing the blade, you will cover the solid waste, but you also will guide the liquid waste to get to the right position in the bowl. Then you've got two tanks. Instead of one cassette, two tanks, a urine tank and a solid waste tank. They're both made out of recycled plastic, and the urine tank actually has a level indicator inside, so you know when to discharge, when you have to discharge the tank. There's also a ventilator involved, optional, but we strongly advise you to have one installed. This ventilator will be installed on the inside of the door. This is how the outside will look, and it actually extracts the air from the holding tank area, filtering it and then guiding it to the outside without bothering your neighbors. We know the separation toilet is developed because it doesn't use water, and it was also supposed not to use additives. No water use, we fully agree. No additives, question mark. Because we believe, first of all, you would like to have your urine tank fresh. That's why we developed this product, separation toilet urine tank fresh. You pour it in the bowl via the liquid part. It will float through the tube into your urine tank. It will prevent but also take out urine skill, and it will keep your urine tank fresh and leave a very nice orange scent. So that's one. The other additive we developed is the separation bowl cleaner, separation toilet bowl cleaner. You spray it directly in the bowl, take a piece of toilet paper, wipe it clean and throw the toilet paper into the solid waste bin. Of course, also for the solid waste you need a few products, bags and also a drying agent to make sure that the solid waste dries out quickly, to have the best convenience. As you all know, the market of camper vans has been growing rapidly in the last years, and for that reason we developed a few additional products especially for camper vans, for compact vans. First of all the way from UK, we have this new oven grill combination. It's called the Duplex XS. We already had a very successful duplex on the market, but it was simply too big. It had needed too much depth, built-in depth for the average camper van, and for that reason we have this XL model developed. Instead of 500 millimeter in depth, built-in depth, it only needs 400 millimeters. Very strong heat input, 1.68 kilowatt for the grill, 1.58 for the oven. A total volume of 19 liter, and with a recommended retail price of 559 euros. Interesting new option, especially for the camper vans, because it's matching your kitchen block perfectly. Especially for camper vans, for compact vans, we developed this refrigerating line. The TR1050 and TR1065. So a 50 liter model and a 65 liter model. We offer them with panel doors, but also with a very nice brushed metal look door version. We have a drawer version and also a swing door version. And let's start with the swing door. First of all, the panel you can of course exchange with any panel you like, matching your interior. If you open the door, you see an internal freezer compartment, 2 wired shelves, 2 vegetable bins. You see a top door bin which can be put on 3 different levels and a bigger bottom door bin. The drawer version has a big drawer where you can divide the content as flexible as you would like. You have a wired drawer, a big drawer, and again a door bin to be put on different heights. Important, of course, for refrigeration is the ventilation. These are both 12-volt compressor refrigerations, so they don't need external venting, but still need venting. And we actually prefer the top venting option if there's space for it, where the air flows in on the left side, it cools down the compressor and the condenser and comes out on the right side. And if there's no space for top venting, then we have the option of side venting, where you put the vents on both the right side and the left side of your cooling system. And now I'll show you the Indus Eco system. Completely new system which is actually installed on the show here in Hall 6 at the CABE booth. CABE selected a model to have Indus inside, Indus Eco inside, and also on the LMS show they will show this new system. It's a smart sanitation system for conscious people. Why smart? Because it has a discharger that supports you to discharge conveniently and hygienically on any discharge station. And also smart because it uses very little water, although it has a macerator pump. I'll get back to that. And for conscious people because you basically don't need additives. Of course you're allowed to use them, but you basically don't need them because there's a smart filter system inside. Let's start with the toilet. It's a freestanding toilet. Modern looking, soft close, freestanding toilet. It doesn't need to be put to the wall like the regular cassette toilets, and it gives more opportunities to create your bathroom. It's a macerating toilet, and regularly macerators use a lot of water, but this has a very intelligent 2-step macerator pump. First it mixes, it grinds, and then it pumps the black water to the black water tank. And by doing that in 2 steps, it uses only 200 milliliter water for a small flush and 500 for a big flush. Then we offer a module for the black tank for the OEMs, and if they want also the black tank itself, there's a filter inside, so you won't have any inconvenient smells on the inside of your vehicle. And again, we have this discharger. And let me just show you how easy it is to discharge your black waste. You take out the discharger, you unwind the tube, so it gives you flexibility. Then you put it on the discharge grid, you push the button, and you push this button, and the job's done. In just a few minutes time, without using your hands, in a very convenient and hygienic way, the discharging will be done. Then you put back the discharger, close the door, and off you go.
Hello, I'm Richard Braspenning. I work for Thule as a sales and marketing director, and we are proud to share some new innovations that we are introducing on this show. 2023 we launched the Subsola, which is a modular panel concept for urban vehicles, and this year we can share with our customers that we have a new version, which is the larger version of the Subsola, that can be applied on motorhomes but also on caravans.
It's a very versatile product. You can have a lot of privacy with it. There's sun and rain blocking, and it's very modular, so you can put the panels just as you want, just to create a living space that you prefer.
Good morning. We are here on the Thule stand on Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. Every year we try to launch new bike racks, and this time we have our Thule Velo Swing. It's a smart tow bar that can be used and applied for all kind of solutions, adding bike racks, adding other products that can be towable. My colleague will explain more and demonstrate what the product is like and why it's so unique.
So the Thule swing that we have here is a completely certified tow bar, and the benefit is that we can completely swing it away 95 degrees, so you have complete access to your rear doors when you have a bike carrier or any kind of carrier that fits on the tow bar installed on the product. You can tow your bikes, you can take with you whatever that you want, and you can enjoy all the products that you love on your vacation or holiday, wherever you're going. I can quickly demonstrate. We have the beam, which is looking like this in the closed position. So you have a complete nice integrated tow bar, really fitting the design of the Stellantis models of vehicles. And you can attach any type of bike carrier. And even with products mounted, you can easily unlock the system, open it up and completely swing it open. 95 degrees, so you get complete access to your rear doors without anything in the way.
Hi, my name is Craig Hawthorne. I'm the product manager for the Combi Neo. It's my pleasure to give you a couple of highlights about our new product. After 18 years of on the market with the Combi, it's time for a new era of heating, and thus the Combi Neo. I'd like to tell you about some highlights we have for the Combi Neo. The first highlight I want to tell you about is the 3 kilowatts of electric heating power. That's 66% more electric heating power than we offer for the Combi. What this means for you as a camper is with 3 kilowatts, you can cover your daily living heating, whether it's for the room heating or for the hot water heating. Thus, you can really save a lot of gas and stretch the lifetime of your gas tank out a lot. So much more convenient for you if you're traveling throughout different regions in Europe. The second highlight I want to tell you about is the really fast heat up time. With traditional water heaters, you have to wait a little bit for the water to heat up, and then once you use it, you have to wait again for the boiler to reheat. The Combi Neo implements innovative instantaneous heating technology, basically giving you almost instant hot water. That means within 3 minutes, you have enough hot water to fill up the sink to wash your dirty dishes, and after a maximum of 8 minutes, you can enjoy endless showers. Which, of course, this is the third highlight that I want to talk to you about. With the Combi Neo, there's no more waiting after your wife has finished showering and you have to wait for the heater to reheat. With the Combi Neo, the entire family can shower one after the other without a break. And if you're like me, you can just enjoy the entire hot water for yourself. And lastly, we offer 7 kilowatts of heating power with this device, whether it's room heating, water heating, or both at the same time, and all this power in a device that's compactor and also lighter.
Hello, my name is Andreas and I'm from Bergstrom. We are a Swedish company and we are creating a dealer management system that's especially for RV dealers. We make operations in Sweden, Norway, Germany and UK, and our slogan is "We empower dealerships." So that means we have a system that's quite comprehensive. You can do from selling the vehicles to the workshop, to the shop, to the whole warehouse management, accounting, a POS, and we have also a project that's called Dealership Online. That means you can show your vehicles on the website, you can transfer it to the marketplaces, you can book your service online, you have an e-com solution, or you can also do the renting out of those vehicles. So I think that we are the market leader here in Europe with over 600 installations. And if you're interested in digitalization of your company and in improving your routines, you are at the right address in choosing Barendus.
This is V-Stream with a 3D effect. This is UV, water, chemical, and abrasion resistance. It's also really easy to clean. So that's the best option for your garage. This is Vetriskin Delta. That's the best option for your ceiling. That makes sure you can cover any imperfection of your surface and you still can, that makes sure you can cover any imperfection in the surface of your ceiling. You can also have this with the knocked-off blackout effect. That makes sure there's no light coming through your vehicle. You can also put a side light that pops up the skin effect. It's really sophisticated finish for your vehicle. It's available in any color. That's the best option for your ceiling. This is Vetro Decor. This is the new launch for 2025. That's the same Vetro Resina you already know, but with style. We work with ultra high quality images of marbles and woods to make sure you have the best sensation when you walk in your project. Vetro Decor can be high gloss, matte, and with texture. We have the Delta texture and the Levant texture if you need something more aggressive. We also have some clean images to make your space more cozy and comfortable. Let us know which one you like it better. We are ready to ship the material worldwide. Let us know which one you like it better. We are ready to ship the material worldwide. Vetro Resina, the future is here.
Welcome to Caravan Salon 2025 and welcome to the Vitrifrigo booth. At this exhibition we are proud to announce that we basically closed the circle concerning the small van application with the top loading refrigerators from 20 to 43 liters with the two new solutions. The TR20, which is in our philosophy, it's a solution which is capable to run as fridge or freezer, what we call all-in-one, practical, easy to integrate and to install, with the bigger, broader, the 43 liter, which is having the same concept, with a few inside amenities to amplify the storage capacity for food and drinks. And this one as well can run as fridge or freezer. Both are equipped with our latest patented electronic, which is capable to perform several features, like the night function, which is used basically to reduce the noise level and the power consumption, or the turbo mode, when I'm in the need to have an efficient pull down of temperature inside our refrigerator. For large RV application, when basically space, ergonomy for food and drinks counts, we answer to that with the DP260, which is a double door refrigerator with a large freezer compartment and with a very spaceful interior for the fridge. It's provided with a new electronic with a digital thermostat, which is capable to ensure the typical RV features like the turbo mode, like the night mode, and as well as is provided with the R290 compressor, which is, let me say, environment friendly. Via the new Vitrifrigo electronic, it is now possible to interact with your refrigerator in a way that you can basically not simply just use it, set it up and select the function, you can even monitor it. And in case of an issue regarding the key components, the system is capable to send you a push notification and put you through in touch with the service network in order to still enjoy your RV experience with cold beverages on board. Slim series for Vitrifrigo stands for RV, and we are here proudly showing our range, which is ranging from 90 liter to 260 liters.
Welcome to Votronic. My name is Jonas, I'm head of sales, and I'd like to introduce to you our products made in Germany. We are manufacturing chargers, solar regulators, B2B battery boosters, battery displays, and inverters. Also many helpful little tools like peripherals, battery undervoltage protection, deep loss simulator, start battery guard, and so on. So let me show you one of our new products and improved products is the VBCS Triple. It's a combined charging device which lets you charge your vehicle while driving, while solar, and while being at the mains ground. We improved the model all over. So next to the full automatic functionality, we have an CI bus integration, and we do have the improvement in doubling the solar power from now 400 watt peak 600 watt peak and 800 watt peaks from the new models. And also we doubled the all over solar voltage input up to 55 volts. So it's compatible with high voltage panels as well. The dimension for each model won't change and won't differ. It's always the same dimension. You will configure it once to your battery type. So they're compatible with every common type, including heated lithium batteries, including lithium batteries with a storage mode for winter, and also for lead and AGM battery and as well. And you have a CI bus controlled charging program that lets you send a request charge to the charger by a third party. So configured once, there's no need of any control. The device works automatically and autonomously. Thank you for watching and your interest. For more information, please visit votronic.de. Give us a call or an email. We will surely help you.
Hi there and welcome at Webasto, your heating and cooling specialist. I will guide you through our news for Caravan Salon 2025. I am Laurent Ceruti and I will present you our latest innovation. Let's kick things off with our air conditioning. We offer a full lineup of rooftop air conditioning units ranging from 2 to 3.6 kilowatts. Designed for the Australian market, these powerful heat pumps deliver exceptional cooling and heating performance, all while keeping energy consumption low. And just in time for Caravan Salon, we are proud to introduce models across all sizes using the climate-friendly refrigerant R42. Now on to heating. This is where things get very, very exciting. We are unveiling the brand new AirTop Pro 25, and trust me, this is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in compact diesel heaters. Here is what makes it a true game changer. It's delivering up to 2.5 kilowatt of heat with an unmatched power range for 0.7 to 2.5 kilowatt hours. It's very silent, with whisper quiet operation at just 35 dB, thanks to its futuristic blower, so quiet you won't even notice it running at partial load. Using 60% less electricity than its predecessors, making it incredibly efficient. And it is fully compatible with HVO, making it a sustainable choice for the future. It has been a pleasure to have you on your booth. Thanks for watching. See you on the road.
Welcome at Ventronic Solutions on the Caravan Salon 2025. Today we're very happy to be with Aboutcamp and share some of our great product details. One new thing for this exhibition is our new USB-C charger. It's easy to install by self-constructors, but as Ventronic Solutions is well known for delivering into the OEM path, we do this also with a high-end serial production scope. So customers, they really purchase high-end value with us. They receive a USB-C charger with all certificates set for building this into vehicles, if it's serial production or their own self-construction vehicle they are doing. Yeah? As you can see, our world is quite open. We not only work with the USB-C chargers, but this year we present a range of new electricity plugs and switches that are also used with our USB-C technology. The clue behind this is that it is very easy to install. It's a new concept idea that will definitely impact on the manufacturing time process in production line for OEM builders, because it's pretty much plug and play, something completely new for plugs and switches. We extend all this with our hard and software development expertise, where we do a lot of interesting project by project. If it comes to FPGA or the full scope of smart home and smart electrical vehicle, with Ventronic Solutions, you're right at it. For many years, we already know that individualization of a caravan is getting more and more a focus of all the customer groups, but it also goes all the way through to OEM, in our belief at Ventronic Solutions. This is why we came up with a very interesting lighting solution, which we call the Solutions Flat Light Lumi. It's pretty much, Ralph, maybe please show, a very flat installation with a non-punctuous LED, so you have a very nicely spread light in pretty much any RGB color. And it can be set with the customer logo on top, as well as any kind of individualization to do an increase of value for your furniture in the vehicle. So this easy, quick to install, and definitely high-end impact in design value. This is the world of Ventronic solutions, so if you're interested in our whole product range, feel welcome to visit our website at www.ventronic-solutions.com. You can download our product catalogs there. We have a nice news section telling you all about the experiences from this year's Caravan Salon. So just join us, get in touch. We're happy to be there for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Welcome at the stand of Weststock. Also this year we have some new products for you, innovations which we will show. For your information, Weststock is specialized in electrical parts and components, lighting, switch and sockets, chargers, fuse boxes, etc. New this year are the inlets and outlets, which have a square design, but also new this year is the round design, as you can see, with all the familiar connections, of course, like water, electricity, gas, etc. Another new product in this studio line, inlets and outlets, is the shower connection. You push it in and you can afterwards select how many water you want to tap. That's this one. Another new connection for the market is actually the solar connection. You can use this to connect solar portable kits, and this has the Anderson solar connection. Because of our 25th anniversary this year, we have introduced a new set of lights, not a single light, but a set of lights with indirect lighting, as you can see. So one push is the indirect lighting, second push is the spotlight. New this year in our switch and socket line, premium, we have a 65 watt USB-C connection, which is very suitable for charging your laptops, for example. Another good product to operate your lighting is this stepless dimmer by touch. Thank you for watching. Would you need any information or have questions to us, please visit the website weststock.nl or send us an email. Thank you very much.
Good morning. My name is Uwe Thumm. I am the CEO of Airxcel, and I want to present you today our new and innovative pneumatic pop-top roof for the Mercedes Sprinter. It's absolutely new, and we created this with our technology, 3D Tex, which means we have a pneumatic system which is inflating the air bellow, and this lift is lifting up the roof to the top. So we need no mechanics outside, and it's extraordinary because we have a very big room. It's a parallel lifting with a width of 1.35 meters on a Sprinter, which is extraordinary. Thanks to our system, it's a very good insulation of we have in our room, and we see that with our roof system we are creating a new room in the camper and not just a sleeping area for fine weather. This also offers the opportunity to create new layouts in the camper van, so sleeping in the first floor and living downstairs with a living room and a bathroom and the kitchen downstairs. So having much more space in the room. This is possible that due to the good insulation and the waterproof and weatherproof of our system, which can be used all over the year. Our roof system is heatable, so you can also, if you use it in wintertime, you can heat the room upstairs either by the existing heating system from the camper or by an electrical ceiling heating, which we integrate in the ceiling. I think what we can also see that we have integrated an awning in the back which protect you from the sun and rain, and you can look outside. Also integrated is a skylight, which double class skylight from outbound, so you have a very good ventilation in the room upstairs. That is what we are showing today. It's the roof system will be available from mid of next year, commercially. And what you see here, what we present here today, is the final prototype. We will start with the Mercedes Sprinter version, and after we have launched the Mercedes Sprinter, we will also then adapt this technology to other vehicles. Second will be the Stellantis vehicle, which means Fiat Ducato and the variants of the Stellantis group. And then afterwards also for the Volkswagen Crafter and the MAN TGE.